Hi all. Today we'll be discussing on how to prepare a drawing as well as the centerline diagram for the line out marking. Here you can see a site of size 29 feet 7 inch and 41 feet 6 inch, which is in the east direction. Okay, the road is in the east direction, so the entrance or main door is in the east direction. So here you can see we have provided a small parking which is of 10 feet by 8 feet. Apart from that, the steps are there here. Okay, and living room is around 11 feet 6 inch by 14 feet 2 inch. Here a open kitchen with along with the dining is provided. Here the size of kitchen is 10 feet 6 inch by 8 feet 8 inch. Within that we have provided a puja room of 3 feet by 4.5 feet. Okay, apart from that, a dining is provided which is of size 10 feet 6 inch by 7 feet. Okay, so this one is a master bedroom. This is master bedroom of size 10 feet 7 inch by 10 feet 5 inch. Okay, a bathroom is attached to the master bedroom, that is 6 feet by 3 feet 7 inch. Okay, here we have provided wash basin. Okay, along with that, the open or general bath and WC is provided in this direction. Okay, another bedroom is there which is of size 11 feet 6 inch by 10 feet. Okay, all around we have provided offset of 2 feet. Here on left side of the building 2 feet offset is there. Rear side or back side it is 2 feet. Okay, the thickness of this compound wall is 5 inch. Okay, and we have kept here 2 feet 9 inch spacing because of we have provided WC, another WC here, that is 2 feet 9 inch by 4 feet. Okay, here we have provided dining. This is the space for utility below the stair as well as the beside this kitchen. Okay, it is the space for utility. Okay, so here we have in the southeast direction we have provided kitchen as well as at exactly southeast corner we have provided a staircase. Okay, this will be the working drawing for a residential building, that is ground floor residential building, and we have provided corner columns at certain locations. Here you can see the column locations. Especially better to avoid the cantilever portions whenever if possible. Okay, better to avoid the cantilever sections. So here you can see the columns are placed here 1 2 3. Okay, you can do the numbering also if you want. You can do the numbering 1 2 3 like that. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. There are 14 columns we have provided. Okay, especially we have provided at the corners, so that that means at the junctions of walls. Okay, so that the wall should hide within the wall should hide within the column should hide within the wall. Okay, here you can see the columns are hidden. Okay, most of the columns are hidden. Here only the one thing is there. Okay, that is we have taken a single brick wall. So here it is projecting, but it is behind the door. Obviously it will not be projected. Here another wardrobe we have in this bedroom we have provided a wardrobe. Okay, master bedroom one wardrobe as well as in bedroom also we have provided wardrobe. Okay, the separate space for these things are given, that is puja, kitchen, dining, everything is separate. Okay, here it is parking. Entrance gate will be here. This will be the entrance gate line. Okay, here we'll be getting entrance gate. Okay, so when it comes to the center line drawing, once if the column locations are got completed, that means the junctions we have taken. Whenever we get junctions, there we have taken the columns. Okay, even you can construct a whole home or whole building using only one column also, or if you want you can construct within 4 column 5 column, it is left to you. Here we have provided 14 column. Generally the spacing of these columns varies from around 3 meter to 4.5 meter. Okay, here you can see the spacings are 3 meter to 4.5 meter. So once if it is the drawing is get completed. Okay, once the all columns are located, the final location of columns is get completed, we'll switch to the center line diagram. So here I'll remove all the detailings, that is which are dimensions of room, Okay, windows, door, so that I can get the clear image of center line diagram. Here it is the center line diagram. We have drawn the lines through the columns. Okay, so it is exactly at the center of the column. On one side, we have taken, it is 9 inch by 15 inch column. All the dimensions are in inches. It is 9 inch by 15 inch column. So here what I will do, the dimensions we have taken here. Here this one, if it is 15 inch means one side it is 4.5 inch, another side it is 10.5 inch. Okay, so in this way we will be providing the columns. So here what I will do, once if it is completed, so we have drawn the center lines which in the x and y direction. Okay, at least two lines will cross one column, that is one line is x direction, another line is in y direction. Now I will find out the spacing. Now once it is completed, we will check the dimensions from the boundary line. That is here I will draw the dimensions. That is horizontal dimensions between the line which is drawn through the columns. Here we are finding difficulty. The spacing from the boundary, it is 3 feet 3.5 inch. From one line to another line it is 3 inch 11 feet. Next it is 2 feet. Next 9.5 inch. Like this we'll be getting the dimensions. Okay, apart from this we need to find out dimension in vertical direction also, that is from boundary line. It is 2.5 2 feet 9.5 inch. From this line to this line, next line, and we need to find out. Here you can see okay, before this step we need to conduct once the final plan is get completed, working plan, we should go for the structural design. So whatever the dimension of columns we got, which is from the structural design itself, we got these dimensions from the designer. Once if the design work is get completed, then only you can go for the center line diagram. Okay, so here the columns are with different dimensions. Okay, some are with 9 inch by 12 inch, some are with 9 inch by 15 inch. Depends upon the load applied on the column, we'll be getting the different sizes of column. Here this column is 9 inch by 12 inch, and this column is here this one is 9 inch by 15 inch, and here it is porch column is 9 inch by 15 inch. This one is 9 inch by 12 inch. Like that we'll be getting different columns, different sizes of columns. Okay, we'll come to know the dimensions of columns from the structural design itself. Once if the structural design work is get completed, easily you can go for the center line diagram or the line out process. Here once this work is get completed, okay, we'll go to the line out at the site. Here in the present case we are carrying out the line out today itself. By evening we'll be doing the line out. I'll be sharing another video on that only. Here, once if it is get completed, okay, we'll be checking the total dimensions, that is from boundary line. What is the dimensions? We must know that one also. From boundary to boundary, that is 41.6 inch and 29 feet 7 inch. And we must check the diagonals also. Okay, the diagonal spacing need to be carried out. That is aligned dimensions. Okay, if you want, you can find out the aligned dimensions. These are locked, I think. Okay. Near horizontal aligned dimensions need to be carried out. Okay. So here in this way we will be finding or will be preparing the center line of a building or center line drawing of a residential building. Okay, I think you like the video. Okay, please, if you like the video, please press like button. Okay, apart from this, okay, we can draw the footing dimensions also. That is whatever the footing dimension is there. For example, if we got a footing of size 5 feet 4.5 feet by 4.5 feet, first I'll draw footing here. It is 4 feet 6 inch by 4 feet 6 inch. Next one, okay, we'll change the color of this footing line. So here what I will do, the size of this footing is 4.5 feet by 4.5 feet. Okay, these dimensions will also get from the structural design itself. Whatever the dimensions of footing are there, these are also you get from the structural drawings itself. Here you can see this footing is of size 4.5 feet by 4.5 feet. Okay, in this way we will be carrying the centerline diagram of a residential building. Okay, apart from this, some footings may be of size 4 feet by 4 feet. So here dimension 4 feet by 4 feet. Here another type of footing is there, that is 4 feet by 4 feet. I'll mark at some locations, depends. Okay, depends on the location, we'll be getting these type of footings. That is these are from structural design and drawings. All the dimensions are from structural drawings. Like this will be preparing. Okay, now this completes the structural or the centerline layout of a residential building. Okay, here all the dimensions are given, centerline dimensions are there. Okay, just you need to carry out the line out work. Okay, thank you. This will be the today's session on preparing centerline diagram, centerline layout of a residential building. Okay, if you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for upcoming videos. Okay, by evening I'll be uploading another video on the line out work. Thank you.